If your Apify integration isn't working inside Claude, here's the fix. Sometimes Claude doesn't automatically detect the Apify connector, so you have to add it manually using an MCP server. So this only takes a minute, so let me show you how we can fix this. So as you can see, when I click on this plus icon, and then I click on connectors, you can see like Apify is enabled, but the Claude isn't able to detect it in my MCP registry at this time. So I'm going to show you how we can fix this. So first step is we want to click on our profile, then go to settings, and in the settings go to connectors, and here if you scroll you can see I have Apify desktop enabled, and you can also see I have Apify like token here pasted, so it should be working, but it's not. So we have to click on again on connectors, and here if you scroll you can add custom connector. So you want to add custom MCP connector. So here we will paste the remote MCP server URL. I will show you which one is it. You can name it, for example, Apify test. And now we need to paste this URL. So now you want to go to your console.apify.com. So on this side you want to be, and here you want to click on this search bar under your name and simply type MCP and click on configure MCP server. Now paste this URL mcp.apify.com. So I'm going to copy this URL and we have to paste it in here in the Claude like this. Click on add. And now it's going to show you a connect button. So click on connect. This will redirect you to Apify page where you will select your Apify account which you want to connect to your Claude. So I'm going to click on this check mark. And here you want to allow like permission to it. So Claude asks for a permission. We want to allow access. And this should be able to fix it. And as you can see, connected. Now if I click on open desktop app, we can test it. So I'm gonna go back, and as you can see, connected the Apify test. We should be able to see it over here. It says custom. So now we can go back and we can try it in this same session. Can you see it now? And as you can see, yes, I can see the Apify connector is enabled and you have those tools available. So you have some actors and stuff like that. So now you can, like, for example, use it. So you can type in some prompt like you want to scrape some website or email or whatever you want, and it's going to work. All right, so this was a quick video how you can fix this issue when connecting Claude to Apify. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.